one.
Hello guys, we're back in another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from Decathlon.
Decathlon, why?
Because wait, why?
Well, we had that other one, a decent pump.
Yeah.
But it had a tube, a decent pump with a valve on it from Decathlon. But I lost the tube, so whenever I try and connect it directly, the needles keep snapping. Mm. So I got sick and tired of it. So we're at the Manchester Eastlands, Asda, which has a Decathlon there near the City Ground, Manchester City Ground, the other day because we're going for a walk in Phillips Park. Phillips Park event, didn't we? So I thought I'd get this. So we got what I bought was a pump. I think it wasn't that expensive actually. I think $6.99, and these valves are $3.99, so not that expensive. But we're going to use it because we got this ball. We're going to go to the pitch because we've got a game tomorrow. We've got to play to practice. Not the pitch, it's like filled with like some goals there. So we've got these old footballs we've had for years. It's a bit flat, so we're just going to demonstrate. If you're going to open that. So just needle, we got free, I think it's a free pack because I don't want to try and get needle all the time. We've got some glycerine somewhere, but I can't find it, so we're not going to bother with that. So there's the valves, yep. So we're going to take some air out, see if the air comes out, okay. Okay, the air getting out of that, so we're going to demonstrate the pump. So what you're going to do while that's happening, is it smelly? Okay, just get this open, leave that, forget about that, just open this. We haven't got none of these videos because we're kind of limited because we're doing it on the phone now.
Can I rip it open?
Yeah, just rip it open because we're going to use it anyway, aren't we? So it's a small one, we can play portable, but we've got quite a lot of footballs, and there's no point having. Listen, just invest in footballs because that's the main thing you want to invest in. So what we've got is pump, pretty good.
It comes with a needle.
I know it got the needle, but I want the spare as well. I knew it came with a needle, always do. So we've got a good handy thing because it's in the cap. In the cap there. Is it in cap there?
Yeah.
Open it up then. So that one, there's rubbery things. A rubbery thing you put on. It's the same type?
Yeah.
Yeah, identical. So we're going to just connect it. I'm not so sure about these direct connecting ones not being on a tubing. Yeah. On a pipe thing, but let's pump it up, see what it's like. So yeah, so take that one out. That's going to be spare. Is it just in a box or is it a container? Just directly in the box?
Yeah. So
3 valves, much, and that's still all right. There you go.
Is that an angle?
Possibly, don't worry about it. Right, a bit of an angle? Don't worry about it. That's how we go. Yeah, it's all right then. Check it. We want it quite hard. That's too soft. Oh. Is that it was before you nutter? Yeah, go on, keep going. We've got a couple of these to do. Want it quite hard because you want to match hard consistency. Try that, that's enough. Try that now. Yeah. Solid, yeah? So it's quick, guys, pretty quick to do. So what you just can do, this is just a basically ball pump, doesn't it? Wait, 1 second. One second. Let go of it. Just get this on. Single projection, maximum pressure, 30 psi or 2 bar. You don't need anything that high. Yeah, go on. Just open that up, see how many you can fit in it. Did you just break the...
No, I'm trying to get the
sticky thing off. How many can fit in? Just one. One really, innit?
No. Oh, yeah, one.
Yeah, so we'll put the other ones in there. We've got a spare. We're going to take that to the pitch. So you go to the pitch. Yeah, take it with us in case we need it. Keep it in the car, actually. The better. So that's going back in there. Was it worth it? Is it pretty decent quality-wise? What do you think? Pretty standard pump, isn't it really? Nothing fancy. About $6.99, I think, or something like that. Just check on the website. What are you looking for? You're looking for this if you're looking on the website. This is what you're looking for. Just give the thing. So that's what you're looking for. The pump, and these are the valves. That's what you're looking for. Kipster. 3 of them. So we've got plenty then to go on. In case it's got a break, because we didn't get a break to get video take because they kept the snapping. They couldn't pump the balls up. So we're in the garden trying to practice. They couldn't do it. They didn't have enough towards we wanted. So what do you say?
It's good.
It's all right, isn't it? It's all right. It's pretty reasonable quality.
Should be better for $6. I feel like.
What do you mean should be a bit better?
Yeah.
Because you don't think the quality's that good?
For £6?
£6, yeah.
Actually, it's all right.
It's all right. Anyway.
Get a TV one for practice.
TV, my fault. Right. Anyway, should we finish then?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? We like it though. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
all right, isn't it? Yeah, it'll do. $9.99 altogether, or whatever it was. That's £10. That's not bad. We've got lots of. We've got 4 altogether. So should we finish there then?
Yes. Please.
Nice and quick one today, which is always nice. Go on.
Like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Peace out.
Bye bye.